Hey guys, today let's learn how to apply an AI filter on TikTok mobile. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and apply and use an AI filter, how do you do so? I'm going to teach you guys step by step, so listen closely and watch until the end of the video. Okay, so first of all we need to do is just search for the AI filter, and I want you to basically launch your TikTok applications. And once you have already done so, I want you to tap on the plus icon on the middle of the screen. And once you tap on that, of course, that's going to show you the filters right here. So tap on your effects and I want you to search for AI. Now searching for AI will give you a lot of different results, like the AI manga filter, the AI portrait filter as well, and a lot of different AI filters that you could use and play around with. So in the case that you do want to go ahead and use any of these two main filters that are commonly used, all we need to do is just tap on which one we want to choose and then go with that. Next, of course, you could also now go ahead and choose a specific photo. In this case, I am going to use the AI portrait, which needs me to center your face to get an AI portrait. So all we need to do is to show our faces on here to get that AI filter. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.